Got him. Yep. Solid one. Solid one. Big boy. Yep. Dude, the bite is on right now. The bite is freaking on right now. Another solid fish. Just a chunk. And a feisty one at that. Ooh, I just got bit. Oh. Oh. Dang it. That was a good bite too. Dang it. You gotta make the right cast so you don't hurt any grass. Got him! Good one. That's a big one. That is a big one. Yep. That's the one. That's the one. That's a freaking giant. Grab him. Oh my gosh. That was it. Got him! Another giant! Oh, that one's not as big, but it's a frisky fish, I'll tell you that much. Oh my gosh. Dude, the other one was twice the size of this one. The other one was freaking twice the size. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The other one was freaking could eat this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Get a closer release. Frisky. That one was so frisky.